Hey, what's up, guys? So today I'm going to be talking to you about how to create audiences in your Google search campaigns and the difference between observation and targeting. So let's dive right in here. So audiences for search campaigns, your main targeting function are still the keywords that you select. So for example, if you're a roofing company and you're looking for people searching for roofer near me, that is going to still be your main targeting technique. Someone has to type that in to trigger your ad. But you can get more insights and drive higher performance by using Google's audience data. And I'll dive a little more into this. So audiences inside your ad groups, you can add audiences to your campaign or ad group so you can see how these various audiences perform. And this will give you more data on who your customers are. And in the future, if these segments are performing better than just your broad segment of anyone searching for that keyword, you can actually target that audience specifically. So in this example over here, this was actually a campaign we were running for ourselves, our digital marketing agency who focuses on attorneys. And we were looking for people who are looking for a new website. And you could see here that there are different audience segments here that show people who are in market for web design and web development, or SEO and SEM services, advertising and marketing services. So you can see that there are these different audiences that we could observe or target to see if those segments perform better. So let's talk a little bit about targeting versus observation. So when you're using the targeting setting in your ad groups or campaigns, you're narrowing your scope of actually targeting the entire, broad spectrum of people searching for roofers or website company. So you're saying anyone who searches for roofers near me and is in this audience, those are the people I want to target. So you're pretty much narrowing your whole targeting, demographic into that specific audience, and they have to be searching for roofers. When you use the observation setting, the reach of your campaign is still the same. So anyone searching for roofers near me is still going to trigger your ad, but now you can actually see if the person who clicks your ad is in one of your different audience segments. And I'll show you what this means in a second here in the actual ad platform. So that is an important distinction, is targeting versus observation. Again, targeting, you're going to narrow the reach of your campaign to the selected audience. For observation, you're not going to narrow your reach of your campaign. You're just going to be able to view that data and bid adjust it or target it specifically in the future. So let's go into the ad platform. Again, as always, if you like this stuff and you want to learn more about Google search and PPC in general, you could join our Facebook group, Marketing Bros, and you can subscribe to our YouTube channel. So let's go ahead and go into this account. So I'm in the ad group level of the account here. I'm going to go over to audiences, and you can see I have a couple of audiences in here, and they are the observation setting. So let's say I wanted to add some more audiences to this. This is an account where people are searching for insurance quotes, Medicare supplement, health insurance, all that type of stuff. I can edit this ad group, and I can add these different audiences to my ad group so I can observe them. So retirement planning, life insurance, financial services, and I'm set to observation. So all I'm telling Google is I just want to see how these audiences perform, and maybe I'll do something with them in the future. Now, if I only wanted to target these audiences, so anyone who's searching or in market for life insurance that then types in the word Medicare supplement, I would choose this targeting objective. So that is an important distinction. Again, I've said it a few times because it's very important. So I'm going to leave it as observation, and I would save it, and then they would be added to my ad group. So I'm going to discard these changes. But you can see here I've had some audiences. I have home and garden, so do-it-yourselfers, older demographic, they fit in this audience. We have an insurance audience, and then we have a health insurance audience. And we can see that these actually perform at different rates. So the do-it-yourselfers converts at 27.9%. The insurance audience, shockingly, converts at 20%. And then the health insurance audience converts the highest at 28.62%. So this is great, but now what do I do with this data? So number one, I can target these specifically. I can bid adjust on these specific audiences. If I know that they're interested in home and garden, I can maybe outfit my landing page to have more home and garden type images, older people looking very happy in their garden. These are all tricks that you can use to increase your conversion rate and the relevance factor of your landing page to your specific audience. Again, this is just a cool thing to take a look at from time to time and add these audiences to your campaigns. I typically will add a bunch of these to a campaign if I just want to see what's going on, and then from there I can hone in on what's working the best. So again, if you like this, subscribe to our YouTube channel or join our Facebook group, and you'll get more actionable advice like this.